Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use your Salinas Public Library card in order to access Mango Languages. Mango Languages is a digital media application that allows you to learn over 70 different languages. Your first step is to make sure you have a library card. If you're already covered there, you're ready for the next step. If you still need a library card, check out our library webpage on www.salinas.publiclibrary.org and look for how to sign up for a library card there. The next step is to obtain the Mango Languages app or to sign in via the webpage. A quick way to find it is to click on Learn and Explore from our webpage. Click on Research and Learning. As you scroll down, you'll see a lot of different options. We have two different language applications, Mango Languages and Rosetta Stone. Right now we're going to talk about Mango Languages. You can download the app here through the Apple Store or Google Play, or you can click on the website, mangolanguages.com. Clicking on the website will take you here. As you'll see, it already knows that you're with Salinas Public Library because you clicked on it on our website. You will have to create a profile down here with sign up, or you can click on Use Mango as a guest and just put in your library card number and your PIN number. After logging in, you'll be able to see the different languages you can learn. We have Spanish, Latin American, French, English, Japanese, German, and a lot of other languages that are available. After you choose a language that you would like to learn, you'll click Start Learning, and you'll see here that there are a lot of different lessons. Generally, you're going to want to start at Lesson 1. And hopefully from there, you'll be able to learn a new language.